Good morning, students. Today I am going to start active and passive voice. In order to understand active and passive voice, first of all you have to understand these two sentences. In the first sentence, as you see here, it is written Ram writes a letter. Here Ram is the subject and writes is the verb and letter is the object. In the passive voice, I have written this sentence as a letter is written by Ram. It means here letter has become the subject in the passive voice, and we can see that Ram is placed in place of object in the passive voice. Some modifications have been done in the verb here. You can see the verb of the active voice is in simple present tense, which means we have used the first form of the verb, but verb here in the passive voice we can see that be form of the verb is used along with the third form of verb, which is known as past participle. So here this is the be form of verb and it is followed by the third form, which means it is past participle. So one thing is clear, when we write a sentence from active voice to passive voice, it means object of the active voice become the subject in the passive voice, and subject of the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. Main thing here you have to keep in mind is that the change of verb, this is very important. Out of the 4 tenses, out of the 12 tenses, only 8 tenses can be changed into passive voice. Those 8 tenses are simple present tense, just as you see here, and simple past tense. Then there will be present continuous, past continuous, and simple future tense. So these are the tenses, and all the perfect continuous tenses can be changed into passive voice. Let us examine the tense structure of other tenses, verb structure of other sentences. So you can see here that in this sentence the verb is given in the simple present tense, and you have seen that how the verb is changing. Let us write here how the verb changes of simple present tense. Verb change from active to passive, from active voice to passive voice. See here, in the active voice we use the first form of the verb with S, ES, RIES, and we sometimes use the first form of the verb only. In the passive voice, which form of the verb goes? In the passive voice, we write is M, R followed by the third form of the verb, which is also known as past participle. Past participle. Always remember that in passive voice only past participle form of the verb is used, neither first form nor second form, and it is used as the main verb. So this is the structure of simple present tense here. Simple present tense, verb structure of simple present tense. Now we will study simple past tense. I just make a slight changes here. Let us see. I am changing the verb. Rest of the things are same. Both the places you can see I am changing the verb only. Now we will study simple past tense. In the past tense, simple past tense, we know that only second form of the verb is used. So we can write here Ram wrote a letter. Ram wrote a letter. So here we have used the second form of the verb. Second form of the verb is used here. Let us what change we can see here in the verb form. In place of verb, we will write in passive voice was written. Was written. It means that we have used a helping verb of past tense in passive voice. So this is the very important change all of you have to keep in your mind. So I write here the verb structure of simple past tense. What I have done here, look at this. I am going to write here the verb structure of simple past tense. As you can see here that in the active voice, second form of the verb is used. So in the active voice, second form of the verb is used. How is it changed in passive voice? In passive voice, it is followed by a helping verb, was verb as requirement of the subject, and then third form of the verb. This is also called past participle. I have already told you past participle. So in this way we can change a simple past tense sentence in simple past tense into passive voice. I would analyze the structure of negative sentence also. First of all, I will take present indefinite tense in negative form. Let us see what changes are done here. I write the same sentence. Ram does not write a letter. Does not write. Does not write a letter. Try to understand this. So here we have used the negative structure of simple present tense. In the passive voice also we will make the same changes. We have to use not. So we will write a letter is not. Is not. Try to understand the position of not here. It should be placed between helping verb and main verb. So in the passive voice I will write a letter is not written by Ram. So this is the structure of negative sentence of simple present tense. Here also I would explain the verb structure, and here you have to understand this. In the active voice we use do or does. Simple present tense I am talking about here. Simple present tense, do, does, followed by the first form of the verb. And in the passive voice, as you can see here, is not written, which means is, am, are, followed by not, and then third form of the verb. You can very easily understand. This is, am, are, you have the choice. Whatever is the requirement of the subject, you have to use in passive voice. So now I would analyze you the simple past tense in negative sentences. I am simply making a slight change here. Did. Now this sentence is of simple past tense. Which tense? Simple past tense. Verb in simple past tense. Now see how it is changed into passive voice. In place of is, I have to simply write only was. To make a simple past tense into passive voice, especially negative sentences, we will write was not written. So you can understand the position. Here also verb will be changed. Here I will write was verb, was verb, followed by not, and then past participle form of the verb. Here in place of do, does in active voice, we will simply write did not. So only first form of the verb is used. So this is how you can change easily a sentence of simple past tense from active to passive voice. Okay, so this is all for the day. The remaining tenses will be told in my next class.